somebody please explain to me. And I don't want to hear from no Jamaicans. I don't want to hear it. And you over there, you better just hush because I don't want to hear nothing either. Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume, or this is a response, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like what? Like y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is? Don't get me wrong. Technically, I'm like Jamaican by marriage, you know. It's but that's not the point in this. That's not the point here. Why is it that people always assume that if you're from the Caribbean, you're from Jamaica? Like, it's not the only Caribbean island. Anyways, all your updates. My husband said that Jamaica put themselves on the map. So I'm just gonna let y'all deal with him in the comments because I don't really have the energy today.
Yeah, welcome again to Ludoki Stories. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today we're going to talk about why everyone thinks Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean. Jamaica is a tiny island with a massive reputation of dominating the Olympics to shaping global music, fashion, food. Jamaica isn't just known, it's iconic. But here's the twist. Jamaica isn't the largest Caribbean island. It's not the richest, and it's definitely not the capital of the region. In today's video, we are digging into the real reason behind Jamaica's global dominance, from history to height, and why people everywhere think Jamaica is the beating heart of the Caribbean. Let's break it down.
So I don't know what the issue is with some people from other islands when it comes to Jamaicans and when it comes to you not disrespecting us and not liking us. Because you see Jamaican people, all we do is eat mangoes and mind our business. You don't see Jamaicans coming on here talking about no other islands. You don't see us picking on you lot. You don't see us bullying you lot. But you lot stay coming on here disrespecting Jamaican people solely for clout. And I don't know why some of you lot do it, because Jamaican people, if anything, we can cuss, bruv. So we just gonna cuss you lot in the comments. Like the Haitians once upon a time tried us and had Jamaican people in the comments about to take back our donations that we gave in the earthquake. Now here comes the nigga that swallowed Jonah from the island of the Bahamas talking about Jamaica people unprovoked for no apparent reason. Respucia, what the hell did Jamaican people and Jamaican people's food and culture did to you for you to come out here be disrespecting us? And if we clap back now and we start talking about you lot and we start this and we start that now, you lot will come and try vilify us and make us seem like we are the problem. Now, if one of us Jamaicans was to come on this app, I don't know who, but if one of us was to come on this app and say something along the lines of, we ain't never seen no girl with the capacity to be built like a bad breath, because the minute we saw her, we said, we would be the bad guy. If somebody was to come on this app, I don't know who, again, I really don't know who, and said that this girl is built like an old Victorian bicycle seat, we would be the bad guy. If somebody, again, I don't know who, was to come on this app and said her two kneecaps are sitting closer together than somebody's front teeth, do you understand me? Jamaicans, again, we are the villain. We're the villain. It's Saturday, bruv. It's Saturday. Some of us are at home making soup. Some are outside working. Some are stealing edge control and looking for their baby fathers. We're just doing what we traditionally do on a day-to-day Saturday basis. We don't bother anybody. We don't do nothing to no one. But yet we always sit at the pinnacle of dragging and we don't do nothing to nobody. And you know, it wouldn't be so bad, you know, because Jamaicans, like I say, we can defend ourselves. We can cuss back, you know. We don't really take nonsense from people. But, you know, small islands, bruv. If you lot want to cuss us, can you lot start sending your good-looking people, bruv, to cuss us, bruv? Can you lot stop making it so easy for us, bruv? We need a challenge, bruv. You know, don't be sending the girls that wearing necklaces is a myth, bruv. The girls that's heads are basically just sitting on their chest because they ain't got no neck. Like, the esophagus is a myth, bruv. You understand what I'm saying? Start sending the curvy women, the bad bees, bruv, the rich women, you know? Send those ones to talk about us for us to at least struggle in order to find something to say. Don't send girls that be out here built like bad credit, like their hip dip is in the minus, bruv. Don't be out here sending the girls whose hip dips be out here imploding like that submarine that went 12,000 feet below sea level, bruv. Send somebody else, bruv. Send some of the bad bees to talk about us, bruv. You understand? And Caribbean people, please, can we start getting along? Like, believe it or not, Jamaicans actually like you lot, bruv. We actually like you people. We like, you know, your little walk-up culture. We like your accent. We like your food. We like you lot stuff. We mess with you lot, bruv. We don't know why you don't like us, but we mess with you. And I know it's not all of you. I know that a majority of you lot are some beautiful people. You just have the rare few. Like this girl here that some could say breasts out here looking like 2 used tea bags. Do you understand? Longer than Mandela's walk to freedom. Let's be moving forward. We love you lot, bruv. You know, we cousins. You understand? We all came from the same place. Some of us, not all of us, but we all came from the same place. We all had the same struggles. You know, we basically, bruv, we all act and do the same nonsense. We roughly eat the same food. We just cook it the same way. Let us get along. We don't care if you people want to go and do whatever you lot want to do with dancehall. We don't mind for you lot to come and enjoy. We don't gatekeep nothing, bruv. We mess with you lot. We with you lot, bruv. You understand what I'm saying? If anybody talk about the Caribbean, bruv, we in there riding with you lot, bruv. Shotgun, passenger, we there with you. Can you lot just stop coming out here and dragging us? We don't do nothing to anybody. So Bahamas, if you lot could do Jamaica a favor, just a real quick one. If you could just do Jamaica a favor this one time and go have a word with Precious, because we don't need this. You understand what I'm saying? You know, it's not fair on us to be out here getting dragged by one of the members of your country that be out here built like an old mattress. We don't deserve that. Because you know what? We ain't done nothing to her. We ain't done a thing to that girl, you know? We just be out here spreading the love, baby. We're spreading the love. So yeah, may we all continue to unite, for it is right. And, you know, enjoy the life of the Caribbean, because being Caribbean is lit. You know, we just want to be lit together.
I have come to a conclusion. You know what that conclusion is? That there are a lot of people from certain countries that don't like the members, the people, the citizens of the capital of the Caribbean. They don't like us. Because why this man comes to me unprovoked to tell me that Jamaicans cook good oxtail, but they can't cook curry chicken. First of all, oxtails, we don't even eat that in Jamaica like that. That's an American thing. Second, curry chicken. You don't even come to me and talk about curry goat or curry mutton. Curry chicken? Come on now. At this point, it's more unprovoked. You're just here to be like, I don't like Jamaicans. It's better you told me you don't like Jamaicans. Don't over here try to cover it up with food. That's how they try to bait us in. They try to be like, oh, but y'all can cook better food than us. Guess which country this is? It's in South America. Tell me what y'all thinking.
When they hear Caribbean, again, because that's how it has been documented through their lens, they think it's Jamaica.
Yes.
Right? Because Jamaica has a certain tourism culture. Jamaica has a certain relationship with the US.
Yes.
Bob Marley was famous. Like, you know, so they think it's Jamaican.
Yeah.
And then Jamaicans tend to be the ones opening it, or Caribbean people, understanding that, well, if we're going to serve this culture, we have to have the Jamaican food because that's what they know.
Yeah.
But it's also Caribbean people going to come here, and we are Caribbean people. So let's have callaloo. Let's have bacon shack. Let's have oil dung. Let's have, you know, and then there's like all these things.
Yes.
And that's how you just end up with curry channel on a doubles. It is. You know, because it's like we treat doubles like it's a roti, but it's a taco.
All right, hold up. You guys are telling me that all of the Caribbean calls cereal cornflakes. So you're saying this is cornflakes, right? Forget the name Frosted Mini Wheats. It's cornflakes. You're saying that this right here is cornflakes. It don't matter that it says Honey Nut Cheerios. It's still cornflakes. Yo, I love the Caribbean, man. I can't even. This is amazing, and it's why I love you guys so much. It's like we don't care what his sticker says on the box. It's cornflakes, all right. But please verify this for me if you're from the Caribbean. Are all cereals known as cornflakes?
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island. So the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you not just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
Oh yeah, so check it, right? The capital, the cultural capital of the Caribbean is now the center and capital of reggae and dancehall. Check it, right? So, we all know reggae was invented by a Trinidadian, then Tate, right? He created the one strum, which is still used in reggae today, right? But let's look at Trinidad dancehall. Let's look at Trinidad, right? Honestly, you see all these dancehall artists coming to Trinidad, right? People like Scan, Skilly Band, shooting music videos, bigging up Trinidad, because they know Trinidad is the gateway to the Caribbean. Trinidad is the gateway to the Caribbean, the cultural capital of the Caribbean, right? Let's look at it like this. Trinidad now have more Rastas than Jamaica. Selassie literally spent a whole day in Trinidad. He spent half a day in Jamaica. We're claiming Rasta too, Trini. We need to claim Rasta. Vibes Cartel, right? His first concert out of jail was supposed to be in Trinidad, but it couldn't happen because it was carnival time and some people were vexed and, you know, whatever, right? But why did he want his first concert to be in Trinidad? Maybe because we're the culture capital of the Caribbean?
I just want to say the influence that Caribbean culture has had on Britain and the world is nuts. Like, I can guarantee that there is no UK rap, there's no grime, there's no garage, there's no jungle, there's no funky house without the Caribbean. How we speak, how we dress, the way we vibe is heavily influenced by Caribbean culture, and I can't lie, I proper salute them. And I'm definitely going to touch on this in another video at some point in the future.
In Jamaica, we don't say I love you. We say easy yourself, man. You know, say you alone. In Jamaica, we don't say I miss you. We say, B, when you come link me, by the time I blink, you have to reach on my foot. In Jamaica, we don't say you're my girlfriend. We say I'm gonna be that. I'm gonna charge you.
Jamaica is not the only island in the Caribbean. There is a beautiful island called the Commonwealth of Dominica, which has a population of 72,000 people, which is about 290 square miles. So all of us is not from Jamaica. Have a wonderful day, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, welcome again to Willy Docu Stories, and it's quite evident that Jamaica is seen by many as the unofficial capital of the Caribbean, and here is why. Its culture from reggae and dancehall to patois has taken over global music and style. Jamaica, athletes like Usain Bolt have dominated world sports, keeping the island in the spotlight. Tourists see it as the ultimate Caribbean destination, thanks to the powerful branding. And with a loud, proud diaspora worldwide, Jamaica culture is always front and center, no matter where you go. So, is Jamaica the official capital of the Caribbean? No, but in the hearts and minds of the people all over the world, it might as well be. From culture to sports, tourism to global pride, Jamaica influence goes way beyond its size. It's not just an island, it's a global brand, a movement, and for many, the soul of the Caribbean. If you agree, or if you think another island deserves the crown, keep your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more real talk on culture, people, and power.